Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly on 6th of May. And first of all, national news. Some social media influencers acting against India, House panel to center. Amit Shah chaired meet to review implementation of three new criminal laws in Delhi. Defense Secretary met PM Modi in the wake of Pahalgam terror attack. Government committed to make India's sporting superpower ahead of Olympics 2036 PMOD. Farmers must become agripreneurs, not just crop producers, VP Dhankar. India Belgium discussed ways to boost trade investments. Befitting reply will be given to those who dare to hurt India. Defense Minister. Now, international news. Nepal. Discussion on amendments in government policies and programs for financial year 2025 to 26. United Arab Emirates University team developed improved non-surgical blood flow monitoring device. UAE schools to teach AI starting in kindergarten. US President Trump ordered reopening of Alcatraz prison. President Trump imposed 100% tariff on films produced outside US. Sri Lankan Airlines flight from Chennai surge in Colombo after security alert. And now some sports news. Indian duo won under 19 boys doubles title at WTT Youth Star Contender. Andhra Pradesh Rajasthan clinch Kabaddi won on day 2 of Khelo India Youth Games. Mohan Bagan Supergiant banned from registering new players due to technical error. Now news related to business. President Trump imposed 100% tariff on films produced outside US. Rupee appreciated by 28 paise against US dollar. And Finance Minister reiterated India's focus on private sector led economic growth during ADB annual meeting. And that's all in news. Thank you.